Hey beauty cuties, welcome back to La Host's beauty page. And listen, you're gonna love me for this one. I'm going to give you the most easiest protective style to do when you're in between braids. You want to give your hair a break from braids and a break from wearing wigs. This is a great way to help your hair to grow and protect your hair. First thing you want to do, part out your bang. Next, you want to bring your ponytail up as high as you can. You always want to use a material rubber band. Now I'm using a Healthy Edge smoother on the edge. Please be very generous, because even if you don't have a relaxer, you use your brush, it will lay it down nice and smooth. So I'm just basically forming my ponytail up as high as I can get it, because with this ponytail, this is called La Host knots. You're going to absolutely love them. Super easy to do. Once you get them up, now I'm using the Healthy Hair Growth Serum. You can also get that online. I'm using the wrap and set for my edges. Now, this is the thing. You do not want to use that oil on the Healthy Edge smoother, because it will break the edge control down. But you can use the wrap and set just to kind of lock down your edges and to make sure that when you're sleeping at night, nothing's going to be moving around. Again, I'm just going to make sure everything is locked in with the Healthy Edge smoother and the wrap and set. Again, I am not putting the oil where the edge control is. I'm being very careful just to make sure that that's on my ends, because you want to make sure that your ends are well sealed and secured. Now I am spraying on the synthetic hair, and yes, La Host have its own braiding hair. You can go check us out on La Host Beauty. Get whatever color you want. I say live on the edge, and girl, get you some blue, red, pink hair. Who said you got to ask? You ain't got to ask nobody. Get whatever color you love. Okay, but I'm using a 33, 1B33 and 30. And I am going to use the rubber band, and I'm just going to attach that to my ponytail. Okay, so it's really not going to cause any breakage, because that rubber band that I have holding my hair up, it's not really going to interfere or break off. Now, yes, I am using the beauty solution, and I am using the Protect and Shine, and I'm going to put on the hair growth serum on the braiding hair. Yes, why? Because braiding hair has a tendency of breaking your hair off. And even if you're going to braid your hair, I always say put some oil on the braiding hair, then braid it. It's going to help your hair not dry out as fast, which is, trust me, when your hair is dry, that is when you get breakage. Okay, again, this is a protective style. This is to heal your hair. This is to give your hair a break. So again, I'm going to saturate this braiding hair, and I'm using 3 packs, okay, of synthetic hair. I am putting on the Beauty Solution Synthetic. I am putting on the Protect and Shine, and I'm also putting on the hair growth oil. Okay, again, 3 packs. I then put all the bundles or all the packs on at one time, because once you start putting your knots on, it's going to be super hard to do that one package at a time. So you put all 3 packages in, one on your right, your left, and your back. All right, so there you go. Now, we are going to get to the fun part. What you want to do is you're going to use and need still your Protect and Shine. You're going to need your bobby pins with the balls on it. Trust me, you want the ones with the balls. You're going to be as neat as possible as you can, because the neater you are, the better it's going to look. So to help you to control your hair, this is where you use your hair growth serum or your hair growth oil. And you also want your hair to shine. Okay, but not only that, if you want to wear this for like 2 weeks, I say wear it for 2 weeks, no more than 3. 3 is stretching it. Don't wear it for 3. Let's go for 2. All right, so what we want to do is you're going to put that oil on. After you put the oil on your hair, okay, I'm going to use a clip just to keep control. I'm just twisting around, And as you twist around, stay consistent and move downward. Okay. Same rhythm. Don't rush. You're not in a race. After you get down to the ends, that's where you want to be very, very careful that you don't move too fast, because you do not want this to unravel. So you want it to be really tight at the end. Then you just kind of roll it around as you like. Some like it loose, some like it tighter. The tighter it is, the smaller the Lahoz knots are going to be. The looser you twist, the bigger the Lahoz knots are going to be. But when I tell you, this is so easy, so super duper easy to do. Okay, so it slipped out my hand. Okay, don't judge me. But again, it is so easy to recover. You just get back to twisting. And as you twist, just kind of loop it around itself. Okay. The first one is the most important one, because that's your foundational Lahoz knot. Then after you do that, you're going to take that end right there and you're going to twist it at the root of the ponytail. Just keep twisting till you can't, till it basically twists all the way around that little Lahoz knot. Okay, once you do that, I like to pull some down because I don't want it to become shaped in almost like an apple shape at the top. I want it to be like an oval, more like an oval shape. So that's my first one. Now I'm going for my second one, and I'm just going to repeat. You put the oil on, you use the beauty solution, and you use the Protect and Shine. The Protect and Shine is really going to help you to kind of move through it pretty fast. As you see, I'm looping. Now this is the other thing. You can make them different sizes as you're going. You're going to take some of your hair, take some of the braiding hair, and then you twist your hair into the braiding hair. And what's going to happen, it's going to actually look like dark roots, which is so super cool. Going to look so natural, right? And you just twist up. And you just repeat this all the way through. Now, guess what, ladies? I have just used pack 1. Now I'm about to go to pack 2. And I take some of the back hair, bring it up to the front, okay? And there's no wrong way of doing it, so you cannot mess this style up. It's really going to be fun, one, to do it because it's going to take probably less than 15 to 20 minutes to do this. Imagine sitting in a chair for an hour to 2 to 3 hours. Nope, this is going to get you such an amazing look and such a quick time. And again, it's just repeat. I'm putting the hair oil. I'm putting the beauty solution, the Protect and Shine, and my bobby pin. And now I'm going to build the ponytail up because I want it to have some height. Okay, now if they unravel, trust me, it's an easy save. You're not gonna mess this up. Again, I want you to be confident because there is no messing up. Now, y'all look, I have used pack 2, I have used pack 1, and now I am on pack 3, and which is the back. And so you wanted to make sure that as you're going around, they do not have to be the same size. Usually in the back, I make them a little bit bigger just for a foundation. As you see, they're going to hang on the side or in the back, but you can control how thick or how small that is. You then, once it's twist really good, once you got it twist the way you like it, whichever size, whether small, medium, large, Lahoz knots, then you take your bobby pin and you just secure it. Once that foundation is secure, you really can have fun. You can kind of almost let it, like a fountain, just kind of fall down as low as you want it to do. But I am going to bring all of mine up into a ball, like an oval ball. So it's not a ball, but it's like an oval ball. But it's super easy. Look how adorable that is. And all you're doing is twisting your braiding hair. Okay. I am on my last bundle. Again, you want your back and somewhat of your bottom sides to be a little bit fuller because it's going to be easy to fill in the ponytail so it can look nice and full and not too skimpy. If you don't want it too big, don't worry about it. Just twist tighter. Again, for that last piece, I'm all done. I am literally finished with the ponytail portion. Excuse me. I'm finished with the ponytail portion. This is my last one. And I just twist, 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 twist. As you see, it's a little bit thicker because that's going to be the back. Now, I am where it's needed. You may not have to do this on every twist, but all I'm doing is I trim the very end so it wouldn't stick out. Okay. So I am all done with the ponytail portion. Yes, it's not completely neat yet, but it is moving in the direction that I want to go in. I am now going to work on my bang. Now, I have enough hair for my bang, but I want to add color. I do not want to add color to my own hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an old closure or old frontal. Use 2 clips. You're just going to sew clip number 1 in. I do use a hook needle and weaving thread. And I just go in and out, in and out. And you make sure it's nice and secure right at the very edge of the closure. And I say measure it out however thick or however wide you want it to be in your bang. Now, again, I am only using this closure for color's sake. I want to make my bang blend in with my ponytail. All right, beauty cuties, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it for you. Listen, remember, everything that I used today, you can order it online, La Host Beauty, Walmart.com, or shop now down in the YouTube page. Like, subscribe, and follow. See you in the next video. Thanks, beauty cuties, for La Host Beauty. Thanks, beauty cuties, for watching my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Check out more videos from La Host Beauty. Thanks, beauty cuties, for La Host Beauty. Thanks, beauty cuties, for watching my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Check out more videos from La Host Beauty. Thanks, beauty cuties, for